Hi, I'm Josie from NanoCosmos. Today I give you a quick tour of the updated nanoStream dashboard. I will show you what's new, how to use the main features and how to get the best out of your live streaming experience. Let's get started. Dashboard Home, your streaming overview at a glance. This is your dashboard homepage. It's clean, clear, and lets you control all your streams from one place. At the top, you will see how many streams you have in total and how many are currently live. Important numbers are now shown in blue to match the NanoCosmos brand and help you focus. On the right, you will find your 5 most recent streams. On the left, you will see usage charts showing trends and monthly data. You can click them for more details. The alert icon is always visible in the left menu, so you can check any stream issues at any time. Use the side menu to create streams, manage settings, or view stats. Everything is just a click away. Create a stream, tag, transcode, process. To create a new stream, click Create New Stream. You can add tag to organize your stream, choose one or more transcoding profiles, and set up extra features if needed. With transcoding profiles, you can offer different video qualities for different devices or connections. In the live processing section, you will find useful tools. Thumbnail, set how often a preview image is created. Motion clip, create a short video clips from your stream. Live replay, allow viewers to go back and watch recent moments. Recording, choose if and how you want to record the stream. You can apply different settings per quality, layer, or sync them all. The layout is simple, with colored switches and helpful tooltips. Once all information is configured, click the Create New Stream button at the bottom to finalize your setup. After creating the stream, you will find the information you need to start streaming using your preferred tool, whether it's OBS, the integrated webcaster, or any encoder of your choice. We recommend you to check our certified partners of nanoStream Ready to have the best possible streaming experience. Player UI, monitor your stream in real time. Once your stream is running, the Player UI shows what your viewers will see. On the left, you will see the video player. On the right, the player stats panel shows live data like latency, resolution, bitrate, and player version. Below the player, you will find 3 sections. Stream overview, general info about the stream and quality layers. Live processing, details about thumbnails, replays, and other features. Code snippets, tools to embed the player on your website. In the Code Snippets tab, you can choose a simple iframe embed and a more advanced HTML snippet using the NanoPlayer API. Above the code, you will see Code Snippet settings. Here you can choose a start quality like 480p or pick a latency control mode, classic or adaptive. When you change something, the code updates automatically, so you always get the right version to copy and paste. This area uses the same clean layout and color system as the rest of the dashboard. Webcaster. Go live from your browser. The Webcaster lets you stream directly from your browser, no software needed. You can start a brand new stream or continue an existing one, go live with one click, or see basic stream stats while you're live. You set up things like transcoding and processing on the main dashboard before starting the Webcaster. For full setup help, check out our documentation. Alerts and advices, stay informed from anywhere. The Alerts menu is always visible in the sidebar, so you can access it from anywhere. The design is now cleaner and easier to read. Each alert shows technical info like stream ID, IP address, and location. You can also take quick actions like opening the stream or sending a support ticket. You will also see advices, helpful tips that tell you how to improve your setup before any problems happen. The new layout helps you react faster and avoid issues. Organization overview, all your settings in one place. The organization overview shows all your account settings and features in one place. You can See if your features like VOD, transcoding, or secure playback are active, or manage webhooks, API tokens, and stream tags. Everything is organized clearly with color and spacing that help you find what you need fast. User management. Control access for your team. In the user management section, you can manage team access and permissions. With RBAC, role-based access control, you can filter users by their roles, invite new team members, give or remove access, and reset tokens all from one place. The interface uses color labels and clear tables so you always see who can do what. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. We hope this walkthrough helps you get the most out of the nanoStream dashboard and makes your real-time streaming experience even smoother. Happy streaming!